Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Competition Prep Zone. I'm Khushbu Tiwari and today we will cover about the part 2 of modern history. So these questions are very important in the exams of UPSC, SNAP or if you are preparing for the bank exams. So let's start with the modern history part 2 exams and the questions. I hope my screen is visible. So coming to this modern history India questions, as I said, which is useful for the UPSC state exam if you are preparing for the PCS, NDA, banking, SNAP. So these questions are very useful and you can remember with the some keywords. So let's start with our questions, and we can actually we can, if you haven't subscribed our channel, you can subscribe on the bell icon, and you can also go for the questions which is actually important, and you can also note down, and if you want you can see the answers. So let's start with our first question. In whose viceroyalty the first roundtable conference was boycotted? Going with the options: A option Lord Chelmsford, Lord Curzon, C option Reading, D Lord Irwin. So the word which you need to remember here is the roundtable conference in whose viceroyalty. So the answer is Lord Irwin. Going with the second question, which among the following acts had terminated the company's monopoly over Indian trade? The options are Regulating Act of 1773, B. Pitt's India Act of 1784, C. Charter Act of 1813, D. Charter Act of 1833. So the answer is C option, Charter Act of 1830. And what you can remember is the act and the company's monopoly over the trade. So the third question is, when Subhash Chandra Bose resigned from the post of Congress president, who did take his position? So the options are M.K. Gandhi, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. So the answer is Rajendra Prasad. And what you can remember is the post of the Congress president. Which among the following newspaper later renamed as the Times of India? Bombay Samachar, B. East India, C. Bombay Times, D. Hindu Patriot. So the Bombay Times, it is actually the oldest newspaper and it was renamed as the Times of India. So the next question is, in what way did the early nationalists undermine the moral foundation of the British rule with great success? So the options are by their agitation for the constitutional reforms, B. By advocating open revolt, C. By seeking foreign help against the British, D. By seeking the support of the Indians living abroad. So the answer is the A. By their agitation for the constitutional reforms. So which among the following newspaper was started by Annie Besant? So Annie Besant has started the newspaper with the following option: A. The Hindu, B. Indian Express, C. The Times of India, D. New India. So New India was the newspaper which was started by Annie Besant. Next question is, who among the following was the real founder of the Aligarh Muslim University? So the options are Nawab Salimullah, B. Syed Ahmad Khan, C. Abdul Kalam Azad, D. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So Syed Ahmad Khan, that is the option B, he was the real founder of the Aligarh Muslim University. Which among the following state is incorrect about the Act of 1919? So the options are, which you can remember here is the Act of 1919. British India must an integral part of the British Empire. Responsible government would be realized only by the progressive stages. C. Provincial subjects were classified into the reserved subjects and transferred subjects. The salary of the Secretary of State for India was drawn out of the revenues of Indian government. So the answer is the salary of the Secretary of the State for India, which was drawn out of the revenues of Indian government, which is actually incorrect, and the rest three are the correct, which is the Act of 1990. Going with the next question, which of the following leader was not associated with the extremist leader of Indian National Congress? A. Lokmanya Tilak, B. Aurobindo Ghosh, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. A.O. Hume. So the answer is A.O. Hume, which was not associated with the extremist, and he was not a leader of the Indian National Congress. When was the famous resolution on non-cooperation under the inspiration of Mahatma Gandhi, which was adopted in a special session of the Congress held in Calcutta? The options are September 1920, B. December 1922, C. October 1924, D. November 1925. So the answer A, that is the September 1920, which was adopted in a special session of the Congress which is held in Calcutta. Now, next question is, who among the following presided the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress in 1931? So the A option, that is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, D. Dr. M.A. Ansari. So who actually presided the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress is that is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who among the following, that is the which among the following act is also known to be the beginning of the parliamentary system in India? Options are Indian Council Act 1982, Indian Council Act 1904, Indian Council Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919. And you can remember the word is parliamentary system in India. So the answer is Indian Council Act 1892. Who among the following was the first president of the Constituent Assembly? So the first president and the Constituent Assembly you can remember. So the options are Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sachidanand Sinha, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. B.R. Ambedkar. Sachidanand Sinha, that is the B option. He was the first president of the Constituent Assembly. Who among the following viceroys of India wrote a book, Persia? So the Persia, which is actually written by the person, is Lord Curzon. That is the B option, and you can remember with the word Persia. First round table conference was held during November 1930, January 1931. Who was the Viceroy of India at that time? Lord Reading, Lord Irwin, Lord Linlithgow, Lord Wavell. So the answer is Lord Irwin. Which of the following pair of author and book is incorrectly matched? So Rabindranath Tagore, Gora, Dadabhai Naroji, Poverty and the British Rule in India, Deen Bandhu Mitra, Neel Narpan, R.C. Dutt, History of India. So who was the pair of author and book is incorrectly matched is, that is the R.C. Dutt, that is the History of India. Which of the following statement the causes of the failure of the Great Revolt of 1857? So the options are the rebels lacked effective leadership, they did not get the support of the civilian people anywhere in the country. C option, there was no central organization to guide them. The fourth point is their military equipment was inferior to that of English. So you can actually, the failure of the Great Revolt of 1857, and you can arrange in the sequence. This is the option, that is A, first, third and fourth. So first was the rebels, they lacked effective leadership, then there was no central organization to guide them, and their military equipment was inferior to that of English. Coming to the next question, which of the following leader was associated with the formation of the Congress Socialist Party? So the Socialist Party, and you can also remember his picture, that is the Acharya Narendra Dev, and he was associated with the formation of the Congress Socialist Party. Let's generalize first options. P.C. Joshi, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Acharya Narendra Dev, D. Ram Manohar Lohia. So C is Acharya Narendra Dev, who was actually associated with the formation of the Congress Socialist Party. Coming to the next question, consider the following events in correct sequence of the Indian National Movement. Foundation of the Indian National Congress, Simon Commission. Third point is Home Rule Movement. Fourth point is Cabinet Mission. So the correct answer, which is using the codes, is First, foundation of the Indian National Congress, that is the Indian National Movement formed. Then the next option, the Home Rule Movement. Then next, with the going with the Simon Commission, the next mission was actually established was Cabinet Mission. Now going with the next question, which of the following is the correct chronological order of the establishment of parties during Indian struggle movement? So these are the parties which during the Indian struggle movement were formed, but the correct option is Indian National Congress was the first formed, then the Muslim League, then third is Swaraj Party, then fourth is Justice Party. Who among the following initiated the Kheda Satyagraha? So Satyagraha word actually gives you the answer, that is the Mahatma Gandhi, and the Mohanlal Pandya. Third is Sardar Patel. Fourth is Vinoba Bhave. So you don't need to actually like Gandhi has done the Satyagraha. So you cannot go with this answer. So the correct answer is Mohanlal Pandya. He actually initiated the Kheda Satyagraha. Which of the following leader organized the Swaraj Party? The options are A. Lala Rajpat Rai and Firoz Shah Mehta, B. Sarojini Naidu and Annie Besant, C. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, D. C. Raja Gopal Achari and C.Y. Chintamani. So the answer is C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. He organized the party, that is the Swaraj. The next question is, consider the following statement or statements related to the Nehru report. The points are, it favored dominant status. The second point, it favored a federal system. Third, it rejected the system of the communal electorate. Fourth, it was against the setting up of a Supreme Court. So the answer is D, that is first, it was done by the favor of the dominant status in the Nehru report. Second is it favored a federal system, and then it was rejected the system of the communal electorate. So the next question is, which of the following incident ended the history fast of Gandhi? So the Pune Pact, B. Issue of white paper, Gandhi-Irwin Pact, then आपका arrival of the Simon Commission. So the Pune Pact, which is actually the incident ended the historic fast of Gandhi, that is the Pune Pact. So going with the next question, which of the following is not correctly matched? Bhagat Singh is actually, he was matched with the Meerut conspiracy case. B option is Ram Prasad Bismil, Kakori conspiracy case. C is Chandrasekhar Azad, New Delhi conspiracy. D. Surya Sen, Chittagong armory raid. So the which is actually not matching is Chandrasekhar Azad, New Delhi conspiracy case. So this is actually the wrong answer. So this was the question which we have covered in the modern history, and here we have come up with our answers. And if you are actually like our show and if you like our channel, so please subscribe, and if you're liking our videos, so please like and subscribe our channel so that you will get more notifications for the next videos.